welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. My name is Glez. Today's video I'll be doing an unboxing and try on of Nike's newest Air Force 1 shoes called Pixel. So it's AF1 Pixel, particularly in the color Particle Beige. So, because that's the one I got. I think they only have 2 colors, or if I'm mistaken, they have 3. All black, all white, and the Particle Beige. I decided to get the Particle Beige one because it's so cute and pretty. It's kind of like pinkish, beigey or something, but it's super duper cute. I'm really excited to see it in person because when I went to the mall a few days ago, I only saw their all white shoes. But I have it here and I'm so excited to show it to you guys, try it on, unbox everything. I'm super duper excited. I don't know how many times I said the word excited. I said it again. But yeah, I am. So let's get into it. So I have it right here on the floor. Let me just pick it up. I'll be back in 2 seconds. All right, here is my package. This is Nike. It says here, we are offsetting 100% of the carbon emissions for this shipment. Really nice. All right, so I'm just gonna open it up. I haven't opened it yet. I really wanted to, like, I couldn't resist myself, but I said no, this is going to be for an unboxing video, so I waited. So let me just get this thing out right here. There it is. Let me just get this thing, and it's empty. So just gonna put that on the floor. Is the box. It says here Nike Air Force 1. There you go. It has the AF1 design in there on the paper stuff that I also saw on the shoes, like around like on the back part. And put this out of the way. Another layer of paper. Oh my god. Okay, this is like pink. This is like what I'm wearing right now. I don't even know if this is beige, but I see this as pink for me, like a light pink one. And this exactly looks like the shirt that I'm wearing. I basically chose to wear this one because I really think that it's gonna be the same color as the shoes. I mean, I was hoping, because you know it's gonna be beige, and we all know what beige looks like. So yeah, it is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, let me remove the rest of the paper. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, yeah, it's so pretty. There's some weight onto it. I feel like this is one of the weightiest shoes I've ever owned. Most of my shoes is lightweight, and it's probably because it has like a thick platform to it. That's why. But it feels so nice. It has really good quality. And oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. I really love it. This is the shoes. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful. There's paper. Let me get it out. So cute. Yes, this thing. I think this is also, it's kind of like the same design, like the old Air Force 1 that they have. And oh my god, it's so pretty. This is what I was talking about. I think this one right here, the logo stuff. The Air Force 1 is right here too, and the Nike is on the other shoe. And the back part looks like this. I think it's super duper cute. Actually, I got mine in size 7. They said to size down a little bit because the shoes kind of like adjust to your, I don't know, as time goes by, the shoes kind of like expand a little bit. I mean, that's what I read online. I don't know if that's true because I usually get 7.5. That's when it's more comfortable for me to wear the shoes, especially when I'm wearing socks. And yeah, and since I love to wear socks, I wanted to get 7.5 one, but they said to size down a little bit, so I got the 7 instead. But we're gonna try it on and let me see what it's gonna feel like. But just get this stuff out there. Oh my god, I think it's super duper pretty. I love it. I love it so much. It's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Even though they say it's beige, it's more like a light pink to me. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I think it's more of like a light pink color, which is amazing because I love pink. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So let me just put them on. So I just have the shoes on now on my feet, and even though it's a little weighty, you know, when I was putting it in my hand, it's actually really comfortable on the feet, and it doesn't feel really heavy. And overall, I think it's super duper cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. These shoes originally retails for $100, but I got mine for $80 because Nike gave me a 20% off discount for being a healthcare worker. So they have this program where you get 20% discount on any product, literally any product, because this is their newest product and I use it in there and it worked. And yeah, so you get a 20% discount if you're a healthcare worker, a first responder. All you have to do is show proof that you're actually working as one. So for my case, I showed them my license and immediately I got approved, everything like that. So you just I think you find it on their website. I don't know where exactly, what area in their website, but I think you can type on Google like Nike first responder healthcare worker 20% discount. And yeah, I think they have this program where you take a picture of proof, like an ID or a pay stub or a license. Yeah, so I showed my license and within minutes I got approved, and then I got my code, and then I immediately use it to buy this pair of shoes. And yeah, I just want to put it out there that I'm so thankful for Nike for doing this. It's such an amazing program and I really love it. You know, like I'm so thankful that you guys care about us. Like for me, you know, I work, like I'm a nurse, and yeah, I've dealt with COVID patients. It's really hard, like, but then you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, you guys should all stay safe out there, wash your hands all the time, wear your mask, and stay healthy. And yeah, I think that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my cat. All she wants is to eat and eat and eat. Actually, she's really chunky. Gotcha. I'm so in love with these shoes. I think they're super duper cute and pretty. It's perfect for every woman out there. Like, it is so girly. It is so nice. It's really comfortable. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it like I do. Give this video a thumbs up if you do, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.